This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. The Python Package Index has announced that all accounts that manages at least one project will need to have two-factor authentication enabled by the end of the year. The index is a software repository for packages created in the Python programming language. The repository has been popular with threat actors looking for a way to distribute their malware. It had suffered rampant malware uploads, package impersonation, and resubmission of malicious code using hijacked accounts in the past month. This resulted in the repository having to temporarily suspend new user registrations and project creations last week. The repository index said that one of their key security promise is that when you're downloading something from their repository, only the people associated with that project will be able to upload, delete, or otherwise modify their project. Requiring two-factor authentication will allow them to keep that promise. Account owners can enable two-factor authentication for their account by either using a security device or an authentication app, and by also switching to using either trusted publishers or API tokens to upload to their repository.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.